Hey guys, this is Ethan from Coin TV, and today we're going to be looking at the 4 Birds of Prey coins from Canada Bullion series. I ordered these 4 coins off of AppMex. They all came in the box, very well packaged by AppMex. And we're just going to look at the 4 separate coins and talk about them. This is the, let me get that. I believe it's the Great Horned Owl. See if it says it on there. Or Argent. No, does that say? Yeah, that says on all of them. I believe this is a Great Horned Owl. And these are all .999 fine silver bullion pieces. This, I wish it told you which one because I can't remember. This one right here is, it's either the osprey or the hawk, maybe an eagle. I think it might be the eagle. And it's also .99 fine silver from AppMex. This one I'm pretty sure is the hawk. Try not to get a lot of reflection. It's also .99 fine silver. And then this one is probably an osprey because he has a fish. I'm holding them in 4 of these dollar plastic, and on the inside, you see in the black on this side, is a foam-like harder foam substance. These fit exactly dollars. I have some of my half dollars in them too, but they're in, of course, the $half-dollar versions of them. I bought these 4 coins before the jump in silver, so they were not as expensive, and I really like them. They were one of my first bullion purchases, other than the eagles, and I just really like them. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I don't want this video to go on too long, so thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.